All right, today we're going to be making a no-sew, no-knot fleece blanket. This one's going to have triangle edges. So I just have my fleece here. I have it folded in half, so the top edge I have folded, and then this is the other edge with the two pieces, and I've just got them lined up along the side. I'm just taking a ruler here, and I'm going to cut out a 2-inch square from the corner. So I'll just take my rotary cutter and do that. You can use scissors if you'd like as well. So we'll just go ahead and remove these pieces right here. All right, so the next step is we're going to be marking with a piece of masking tape where we're going to cut to. So I am, for this triangle edge, I'm just going to be doing a 1-inch slice. So I'm just taking my tape, I'm adding it on. It's about 1 inch away. You could be more precise. I've got it pretty close, so I'm good with that. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my rotary cutter, and I'm just going to make little slices every 2 inches right up to that tape. Now, if you don't have a rotary cutter, you don't have a mat, you don't have all of this stuff, another thing you can do is just make markings on your tape or on the masking tape every 2 inches. So you could just do this. Of course, you would use a ruler or a tape measure, you know, and then just every 2 inches you would just make a little mark, and then that would be the line that you marked or that you cut along with your scissors. So you would just do, so just like that is how you would do it if you do not have any of these fancy sewing tools, which you may not if you're doing a no-sew blanket. That may be what you're looking for. So we'll just go ahead and we'll just make our little slices every 2 inches. Okay, then the last step is to just take our rotary cutter. We're just going to start halfway between, so this is a 2-inch strip. We're gonna go to the 1-inch mark in between them. We'll just point towards the top, and we'll just create a little triangle, just like that. So again, we'll just take our rotary cutter, start at the middle point on the bottom, and we'll just slice up towards the top. We'll just make a little triangle like that. You could also use scissors, just like this. And we'll just go all the way from one end to the other, and then we will have our triangle edged fleece blanket.